Good morning, dear students. I hope you all are fine and have seen the video which I have shared on Monday. Today, in this video, I am going to explain the further topics of chapter Urban Administration. In the previous video, I discussed about what are rural and urban areas, and also I discussed about the short story which is there in your NCERT book.
Dear students, now let us understand the further topics of the chapter Urban Administration. How does the municipal corporation get its money? So, the children have been asking so many questions from Yasmin Khala, and after every question, they are turning up with a very interesting question. Yes, you should also have this question in your mind. From where does the municipal corporation get some money and how do they manage for the development of your locality or city? Providing and running of so many services requires a lot of money. The municipal corporation collects this in different ways. So, the municipal corporation collects the money in different ways. The most important way is collecting tax. Now let us understand what is the meaning of tax. A tax is a sum of money that people pay to the government for the services the government provides. In simple terms, you please understand tax is basically certain amount which an individual earns from his salary and gives certain amounts to the government because the government is providing us the services. Services like water facility, road facility, electricity, gas cylinders. So these all are the facilities the government are providing, and there are so many. So people who own homes have to pay a property tax as well as taxes for the water and other services. So, the water which we are consuming, which we get from the government, Nagar Palika, Nagar Nigam has provided the water supplies to door. So, we have to pay the tax for it. These days, you must have seen that the municipal council and municipal corporation send the garbage vehicle door to door, colony to colony, so to collect the dry waste and wet waste separately, which should not be thrown in the locality. So, you also have to pay the garbage tax. So, money the government collects from property is 25 to 30% only. There are other taxes like if you go to the hotel, if you pay the bill, you will see the GST is there. GST means goods and services tax. So, when you go to the movie next time, look carefully at your ticket because you pay a tax for this as well. But the city is so large, it must take a lot of people to look after it. Does the municipal corporation have a lot of workers? Shankar was very curious to know the answer. He actually forgot about the cricket match and his incomplete over. After listening to this, Yasmin Khala said yes, the worker in the city is divided into different departments. So there is water department, garbage collection department, a department to look after gardens, another to look after roads. Now Jahangir was ready to ask a question from Yasmin Khala that whatever the garbage is being collected, where does it go? So Yasmin Khala started saying that earlier even our neighborhood used to have garbage lying all over, and if this remains uncollected, it attracts dogs, rats, and flies. Also, people get ill from the smell. At one point, things became so bad that the children even stopped playing cricket in the street because their parents were afraid that they had sick from staying on the streets too long. So, Yasmin Kala started telling that earlier the things were really bad because people used to throw garbage anywhere in the locality. The people living in the locality were compelled to throw the garbage in the locality only because there were no dustbin and they had no option. Now, you will get the answer of this question under the next heading, that is community protest. What happened that now there are facilities, garbage collection facilities. But what happened? How the municipal corporation realized that there should take some action. There is a next heading, that is a community protest. Community protest means when group of people go and come up with their opinion, ideas, complaints to the government. They are not in favor what is happening. Let us see a short story. Yasmin Khala continued. The women were very unhappy about the situation and even came to me for advice. So Yasmin Khala started telling that there were ladies who were really upset about the garbage collection in the locality. She came to me and she requested that please take certain action so that our children do not get ill and we have clean localities. One of the lady from that group started telling Yasmin Khala that they visited the ward councillor house and started protesting there. The ward promised to them that next day to meet with the commissioner. He also asked Gangabai to get a petition signed by all of the adults in the locality saying that garbage was not being collected. He suggested that taking the local sanitation engineer with them the next day might be a good idea. The sanitation engineer could also speak with the commissioner and tell him how bad the situation was. So, the next morning, a large group of women and ward councillor and the sanitation engineer went to municipal corporation office, where commissioner met with large group and began giving excuses, saying that corporation did not have enough trucks, so they could not collect the garbage. But the people who gathered for a protest started complaining and also started keeping their views. And Gangabai threatened, saying that if in 2 days you do not clean the locality and collect the garbage, we will come in more numbers. But after 2 days, the garbage was not cleaned from the locality and more people joined the protest. As Gangabai was leading the protest, so children enjoyed hearing Gangabai's story immensely. They had sensed that Gangabai was much loved and respected, and now they were really curious to know what has happened. The children were very happy to ask the questions from Khala and all their doubt got cleared. I hope after watching this video, your doubts also must have got clear. Thank you so much for watching. In the online classes, we'll be discussing about this chapter more in detail.